Okay, MGB Roadster. Hopefully you've watched some of the other videos. This is just a quick update what I've been doing this week. Put the I think they call it the dog leg in. It's not a bought one, I made that one myself. It's not perfect, it needs a bit of filler, I don't mind admitting. Put this section in as well. Anybody who's watching who's got an MG, is there supposed to be a rubber there? I've just taken one out of the top and there was one there, but on all the other videos and photos I've seen, I've never seen a rubber there. Don't know whether it's been put in by last owner. Keep putting the torch in the way, very sorry. I've taken some of the paint off and a lot of the other stuff underneath. We've got a couple of layers of filler, some brazing, more filler, more brazing, because the door doesn't fit right. Fits better than it did when I can push it in. I think the latch needs adjusting, but that was sitting proud. It's not sitting proud now. The door's had some filler. I'm not sure if the door's supposed to be a little higher up to get rid of that gap there. That doesn't seem quite right in my eyes. And we've got some overlap. Let's have torchy. Some overlap there. And then as we get further down, where I've put the panel in, there's more of a gap. So I don't know whether to just try and tap it with Dami, or whether I need to do the Fitzy style, slit all the way down, tap it in. As I say, the door's not brilliant. The door's actually got a split there. I want to take the paint off that. Oh, hello, there I am. Take the paint off, see how far that goes down. I'm wondering if that's pulling on the door somehow. Let me know what you think. If you think I should just give up and wait in. Cheers, drop.